One of my favorite things to do with Olaplex No2 in the salon is to use it as a cutting lotion. The great thing about this is not only does it keep your sections neat and clean as you work through, but it's also a bond perfector, so it's gonna help multiply the bonds, add shine, and keep the hair nice and healthy and strong as you go along. So what I do is I apply about a quarter size of Olaplex No2 to my hand. I start there for fine hair, and then I work my way up. I do a little bit more with thicker hair. I apply it scalp to ends. I do the haircut exactly like I would do it. So maybe 20, 30 minutes, you have this treatment on the hair. Then as soon as I'm done with the haircut, I take my guest back to the shampoo bowl. I rinse out Olaplex No2. Then I shampoo, I condition, and then I bring my guests back out. I blow dry them, finish them just the way that I would, but now they've got stronger and healthier hair. So adding Olaplex No2 to your haircuts will help increase your average ticket, help increase your income, the salon's income, and make your guests' hair healthier at the same time. For more tips on how to use Olaplex in all different ways, check out Olaplex.com or download the Olaplex app on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.